What's up guys and welcome to the video. So special thanks to Hošek Motor Mercedes-Benz dealer. It's located in Brno in Czech Republic, and also here is a AMG Performance Center. What's up guys, Ivan here. So this is S65 Cabriolet. So this is the key fob for this beautiful car with AMG logo, and on the back with a Folterbach logo. So this is the top of the line S-Class model with V12 engine. So this particular car is finished in anthracite blue metallic paint job, paint finish, and it has Swarovski crystals in the headlamps. Also Panamericana grille. And also this is different from the S63 model because this model is rear-wheel drive only and S63 is 4MATIC Plus. Also you can see distinctive air ducts in chrome in the lower part of the front bumper. So immediately you know this is different than S63. So these are the LED intelligent lights. As you can see here, LED intelligent light system with beautiful Swarovski crystals. And this is the anthracite blue metallic, as I said, very nice color. Looks like a gray and blue together. So these are the 20-inch AMG alloy wheels, multi-spoke design with carbon fiber brakes. So this car has 255, 40, 20-inch tire size, and these are the Michelin tires, carbon ceramic brakes with immediate stopping power, and V12 bi-turbo badge on the front fender. So you know you don't have a V8 engine. Tell me, what do you think about this color? I think it's beautiful, looks amazing on the sunshine. And also think this car is great with silver wheels, not with black wheels. It has of course the key-lock system and everything what you expect from the top of the line Mercedes-Benz AMG model. So real lights are OLED and they are beautiful. I will show you later how they look when the lights are on. And also in the back you can see 4 exhaust tips and rear diffuser. Looks just amazing. So also this car has a fabric soft top in beige color. So these are the 4 exhaust tips. S65 badge and AMG badge on the boot lid. So let's take a closer look at the engine space. So the AMG V12 delivers a peak output of 463 kilowatts or 630 horsepower and the maximum torque of 1000 Newton meters, resulting in effortlessly superior performance. The Mercedes-AMG S65 Cabriolet accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 4.1 seconds and has a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour, respectively 300 km per hour with the optional AMG drivers package. The AMG 6.0 liter V12 bi-turbo engine ensures a sensational drive in other respects as well. Stylish drive comfort, tremendous tractive power, and effortless power delivery in all speed ranges are coupled with refined engine running characteristics and the distinctive sound characteristics of the AMG V12. Also this car has an AMG SpeedShift Plus 7G Tronic gearbox. So the S65 AMG has AMG Sport suspension, so you can change your comfort. It's based on airmatic system, responds to added weight by increasing the pressure in the air spring. This increases both the spring rate and the spring force. At the same time, the pneumatic all-around level control system ensures a constant vehicle level. So this engine is also hand-built in Germany in a Folterbach. And let's take a closer look at the interior of this car. So this is Burmester high-end sound system, the best sound system, and this car is finished in designer exclusive Napa leather, porcelain and deep sea blue upholstery. These are the seats, memory heated seats air scarf, and also memory seats, fully electric adjustable. You can control the boot lid with this button from the interior. And this is just beautiful combination of upholstery and outside paint finish. Anthracite blue metallic color and deep sea upholstery. And this porcelain like a beige interior. Just spectacular and gorgeous car. So let's hop inside and check out the interior space and infotainment. So this is the key for the S65 AMG V12 engine with amazing Folterbach logo. And you can see heated seats, memory seats, fully electric adjustable seats. Just going to put this down. Sun is shining, spring is coming. And then this is just next level. So as you can see, this is beige interior. And I think it suits this car, S65 model. With magnificent V12 engine. We won't have this engine anymore because of the emissions. So this is one of the last of the breed. With new interior, new steering wheel. This is just amazing, this finish. So let's start the ignition. This is pulsating. AMG logo. And V12 bi-turbo writing on the instrument cluster. So this is just fantastic. I turn the ignition on. Alright guys, so this particular car has a low car battery, because probably every customer is playing with the infotainment system. So full review of this you can find in my S63 video, which I'm going to link down below. But yeah, let's take a look shortly. So I'm going mainly in the vehicle section, light settings, ambient lighting. So you can have a lot of different options. And my favorite is set red moon. Maybe you can see a little bit here. I'm shooting against the sun. But yeah, here is red, purple. Here is also lightning. These are for lights. So with this button you can put up these aero beads, which help to flow air nicely, so you don't have like a turbulence of the air when you are going higher speeds. And also it's in the back. It's not the best looking, especially in the back, but it's good for airflow. Soft close for the doors. And now we are going to take a walk around this car to see how this looks without the rooftop. So it looks just gorgeous, and I think this is an amazing car for the summertime. So this is the Burmeister high-end Hi-Fi system in the back of the car, so you can have a nice surround sound. And a lot of chrome bits on the car. I think it looks great. On more performance car, I prefer black trims, but on this car I prefer more chrome bits. Enough space and also speaker in the back. And just a gorgeous car in this porcelain AMG Napa design on leather. So this is the aero bit I showed you before, and also it's here. So you can also drive without this, but in higher speeds it has better airflow. So these are the doubled windows for better sound isolation when you have a roof up. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Let me know how do you like this video. Let me know if you like more S65 with V12 or S63 with V8 engine. More luxury or more performance version of this S-Class, and if you like more coupe or the Cabriolet. So yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below, like this video, share with your friends, and of course, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. So hey guys, thanks for watching, and I wish you to have a great day.